Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today, the student asked us what is work categorization chart, WCC. So basically, we have to identify the permit in WMS. That which permit do we need for this activity? We have a tool to identify and verify that thing in Shore. According to that, we will decide which certain permit do we need for this work, basically. I am showing you in the checklist on the screen, if we get a late suppose, that we have work to be done at an area less than 1 meter. Our exclusion is above 1.2 meters. Material chipping can be done in the general category. I am giving you an example to explain if we have such work like cutting, welding, branding, in which there is open flame, then we will have a tick in red color. We will need hard work. Permit for that work, and then come down to us. This local. Suppose we get a vehicle involved. Working confined space. Work add on 0.8 meters. Now whatever such conditions will be there will come to our mind. On critical category, so categorization chart is basically a tool according to which we will find, verify or identify which ultimate record we will need for this work. So I hope this topic and question are clear to you now. I've put the detailed video on WCC in the description, which we have already created and uploaded, so you can watch it once to clarify more about this topic. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I request you to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can get timely notifications for the next video. Thank you very much for your participation.